tool. Yeah. Guess what? I have a new tool. Yeah. Tools. Yeah. Gonna walk Utah's Garage Tool Channel. Since I haven't had time to do any work. But anyway, I first I gotta tell the story. I was gonna order this off of Amazon because it was actually it's $239 in Canada, this tool. I went on Amazon.com and it's $160 plus free shipping. So anyway, I figured I'll wait, just kind of like check the prices, whatever. Anyway, I went to Runnings over the border. If anybody hasn't heard of Runnings, just Google it. They have they basically taken over a lot of the old Kmarts in upstate New York. And so I went to Runnings and they had a sale. And if you buy a tool, you get a free battery. You get a free this thing right here, 5 amp hour battery. The wrong battery. Anyway, you get a free 5 amp hour battery. I was like, oh man, like, kid, I was using another 5 amp hour. Batteries were $179. And the tools work $179. This is a DEWALT DCS438. It is a, I don't know, it's the right hand cutoff tool. What is it for? It's for cutting shit. Basically, I haven't used it yet. I just took it out of the box. There's the tool. Actually, let me take the battery off. I'll show you the tool. Here's the tool. It's, I don't know if you can read that. I'll post a picture right now, Chris, if you're watching it. If I'm you, the guy making the videos, watching this, I'll put a couple of pictures of it. I took a bunch of pictures. It has a little nut on here. I forgot to bring the, it's got a little, it has the little vacuum attachment. It goes in there, which I forgot to bring. It's not very exciting because I'm not planning on putting a vacuum, but it's pretty cool. It just, you push the button, it pops off. Here, I'll lower this thing so you can see. The tool basically has, it comes with a manual, which, yeah, okay. Comes with 2 other discs and this little tiny ring right here. It comes with a regular cutoff disc. Comes with a, what is this? Tile cutting disc. And it comes with a multi-material, multi-pass. What's the number on this? Comes with a part number that no one in human history can read. But anyway, and this one is probably one of those part numbers too, where it's a DW47380 and this one's DW8530. This is a 3-inch, takes 3-inch discs, comes with 3. The one on here, I'll put this back in the bag. One on here is that's the disc that comes with it. So it's pretty cool. Oh, also the other good thing I really like about this is right on here is the key. It fits right in there. Just pops right in. It's with the tool, clicks in there. I don't know how long that's going to last, but hey, be good. You can basically click the, where is it? Lock button right here, and then turn it in whatever direction. So pretty simple. There's 2 little washers in there. Here's the little noodle there. This thing comes off with a little fancy little doodad washer that comes out of there, and this little doodad washer on the bottom here comes off. It's got 2 different sides on it, so you pop that in there like so. You pop that in there like so. Put that on there like so. Screw that back on there like so, in the opposite direction, lefty tighty, righty loosey, all while holding the button here. Give it a hard as you can crank. Just kidding. And ta-da! It's got a nice little ergonomic handle. I don't know, I guess, you know. Also, yeah, make sure you put the little key back in here. It's that highly advanced black finish Allen key, which, you know, tiny little motor. I'm guessing it's, I don't know, says 3-inch 7mm cutoff tool, type 1, 20,000 minimum RPM, 3/8" or 7/16 arbor 20V max. Did I use it yet? I only went like this. Oh, it also has a neat little light that shines from the back here to here. Is it any good? I don't know. Oh, I plan on using it? Well, yeah, I cut all kinds of stuff, so of course I'm planning on using it. I will do a full like chop review with this when I actually do something. I'm not just gonna sit there and go, oh yeah, I'm gonna cut fucking, I don't know, excuse the words. I'm not just gonna cut 5 pieces of steel and go, oh yeah, it works great. I'm actually gonna try it. Cut a few thousand pieces of metal, and I think I have 3-inch cutoff discs. I have a whole 10-pack or 25-pack of Walter discs in there, and I'll let people know, because how do you rate a tool if you don't use it in the real world? It's not too heavy. I could probably do weights with it. Get some muscle strength there. But yeah, I seen this and everybody's like, oh, you gotta get one. And basically, I don't know if I got the tool free or the battery free. I mostly want another one of these because these are expensive, especially in Canada. These are $200. Well, this a 5-amp-hour battery is expensive. This is a 4. I left the other one at work. But anyway, they're not cheap. And like I've said before, with the 18-volt tools, I used to buy drills that would be like, oh yeah, buy a drill and get 2 batteries and a charger. So I got 4 18-volt chargers because I buy buy another drill and get 2 more batteries. The NiCad batteries, the nickel cadmium ones would just like fall apart quick, and I have 10 dead ones. So anyway, that's it for that tool thing. I wasn't saying. That's it for review. I will probably take a video, me cutting up some stuff. I'm not, like I said, I'm not going to do the cut off, 14 little things and see how it is, because the performance, I guess, would depend on if you have the regular small battery, a regular 2-amp battery, a 3-amp battery, a 4-amp battery, 5-amp, a 6-amp, a 8-amp. So, I mean, how long does it run? Depends on the battery. What does it cut? Of course, it'll cut everything. It may not cut as fast as the 7-inch grinder, but if you're out in the field there cutting nails or whatever, probably just as good. I mean, the other thing, where is it? I don't know where it is. Oh shit, if I took that, frequent rust. So anyway, I will let you know. Thanks for watching. Click like, subscribe, and toodles.